Hey, welcome to Full Moon Laboratory. It's been a while since we did another um, lab manual episode. Let me just do this focus bit properly. Yeah, so I want to talk today about um carrying quick links, magic links, missing links, whatever you want to call them, you can call them. The other day at the trail, someone snapped a chain. No one has a clue how, and luckily I was carrying this. Now I need to bill him for this. These are not easy to come by, especially after the part shortage. But yeah, I always carry a quick link with me, and luckily for me, all my bikes are up to 8 speeds, so the same quick link works. I don't need to have like keep changing multiple speeds quick links. So I'm just packing for a trip, and I realized that I have these, and it's in a zip tag so that they both kind of stay together. Then what I realized is I'm not carrying one of these to cut the zip tag. This is not the most efficient. This is not the most efficient way to carry this. Neither am I carrying a scissor to cut the zip tag. Well, I do have a knife with me most times. Of course, I can keep this on the rock like this and then smash the knife and then break it open. All cool ideas, all cool ideas. But there is a simpler way. I just found it. I'm sure it's not something original. I know somebody else has already done this before, but you don't use a zip tag. And when you buy phones or any electronic devices or anything with cables, you get one of these. These are I don't know what they're called, but they've got this metal strand inside, and then it's wrapped in plastic rubber kind of thing. Put this through, and I usually also carry a barrel adjuster because I run mechanical disc brakes, and if at all something does happen, I have something to fix it. I've never had to use it, but I just feel a little more confident carrying one of these. Put these two together and spin it around, and you can also add additional accessories here if you like. But yeah, now the whole thing is compact. I can wrap it around itself, and no more jiggling around in the saddlebag. Et voila. And I feel bad when I have to like cut open a zip tag, and then it reduces in length, and I have to it becomes a little tedious to use it again. But yeah, that's it. Now this leads me to another episode, which is what do I carry in my little saddlebag? All the stuff that I carry. It's unrealistic what I carry in it. Maybe after this trip, or maybe during the trip, I'll dissect it and I'll show you what goes in it. Yeah, there's one thing that should be in it and it's not, but that's okay. Save zip tags.